Hello, this is Reverend Ken Wilcox of the Center for Spiritual Living here in St. Augustine, Florida. I'm coming to you today because, as we all know, our nation is going through a tremendous time of turmoil. I think it's as disturbing as anything we've experienced since 9/11, the assassination of Dr. King, the Kent University shootings. This is a time when, as people of faith, we need to call each other and ourselves to our work in prayer, because our nation and our nation leaders need our prayers, and all of our leaders need our prayers. Those that we like and love, those that we don't particularly care for, and those that we really don't like. They're the ones that really need our understanding, because, like my teacher Kennedy Schultz said, everyone has a good side. For some, it's coming, and for others, it's going. Now, it doesn't mean that we don't hold people accountable for their actions, and it doesn't mean that we have to be willing to invite them over for Sunday roast dinner. But we should be able to open ourselves up, and we can do that, and even if we can't come up with that answer, then we can give it over to Spirit. I long ago gave up the idea that I have to solve all the world's problems. It's God's universe. And sometimes I have to gift God back a particular situation. So let us hold something better for ourselves, our citizens and neighbors and family and friends and our nation and our leaders. I'm going to do this prayer in the first person. Take it in for yourself. If I say something that works for you, hold tight to that. If I say something that doesn't work for you, and if you listen to me long enough, I eventually will, but just let that part slide by. But just know this truth with me today. There is but one God, one mind, and one power. That power is perfect love. It's divine intelligence. And that power is working through me, lifting my eyes up to a better knowing for myself. And it's working through every leader this nation has. Those that I feel are working for my best good, and those that I don't quite understand. So here today, I put into consciousness that each of those leaders open up their hearts and souls to a better knowing for themselves, that they are willing to extend a hand of compromise to all those around them that are willing to compromise, and that those who have closed themselves down are willing to open up their hearts and souls, to let go of their lesser selves, to expand into their greater selves. I know our nation, though it's come through many problems, we are a bright, shining city on the hill. We've opened up liberty and freedom for countless. We're on our journey. And here today, I know Spirit is with us, encouraging us on, so that we can raise that torch of liberty for the whole world to see. We are a wonderful and bright, shining idea in God's mind of the potentiality of all the world. So here today, I call upon the wisdom of the universe to flood into our souls, our thinking, and our consciousness, to let us know something better for ourselves, each other, so that we can let sisterhood and brotherhood shine from sea to shining sea. This is my truth. I celebrate this right knowing, and I release this prayer into the mind of God to do its good and perfect, bold and dynamic work, returning to me multiplied abundantly. And together we say, and so it is. All right, my friends, let me leave you with one final thought. Your life is not a problem to be solved. It's a miracle unfolding. Your job today and every day is to go name your miracle, to proclaim your miracle, and to make it your own. God bless us all. Now let us go be that miracle God has called us to be. This is Reverend Ken. Until we see each other again, many blessings.